We vlogging at the same time too. Who you know? I'll wait.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
Okay, beauties, let's go ahead and get started. So I want to do a fall look. I'm over summer. It can go on about its business. I'm ready for fall, okay? So I want to use, I pulled out two of my favorite fall palettes. Well, I pulled out one of my favorite fall palettes. I haven't actually purchased any new makeup in a while because, let's say it together, I have plenty. But I wanted to use this Carnival Antidote palette by Be Perfect and Stacey Marie. This palette screams fall. Do you hear me? Fall. Okay, just to refresh your memory, that's what it looks like. So I just wanted to play. Let's play in makeup. I also have this VZR palette. I may use this palette, y'all, because we've used this one before, but I've never used this one. And this one is all matte. And I want it to be like daytime appropriate fall. I don't want it to be like super smoky. But y'all know how I get when I get on here. But I'm gonna use this e.l.f. primer to prime my face. Whenever y'all see this scar, just know it's holding down the edges, okay? This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I am going to use this Walnut Super Brow 24-Hour Brow Pomade by KBD Beauty. I'm gonna use that to do my brows, because I want to be extra today. And this pomade gives me extra. It's so deep. Like, look at that. Light hand, honey. Light hand. I love this brow pomade. It has my brows snatched. And I feel like this brow pomade works best if you put like a brow gel on the brows first. I use the Anastasia Brow Freeze, which I absolutely love. You just have to use a little bit and let it dry. Okay, brows are on. You know, we gotta conceal them. I'm gonna be using the Infallible, L'Oreal Infallible Honey Concealer, or L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Honey. I'm gonna use that to conceal my brows. I'm gonna tell you something. If anything messed up with this reel, it's just gonna be messed up. I'm trying to do just one side, but it ain't gonna let me. I love this concealer, y'all. I have to, and it's lasted me a really long time. I kind of think it's lasted because I only use it for brows. I use it occasionally for concealing under my eye, but I normally just use it for my brows. But it's a really good concealer, so I don't even know why I only use it for that. I actually need to start using it for more than that. So like I said, I have not purchased any new makeup in the last, I want to say, month. With the exception of some stuff I got from the beauty supply store. I want to go and get some. Hold on, y'all. I don't like how low I am. I want to go get some stuff from Sephora because they have a lot of new stuff out. Huda Beauty has a new concealer. Sephora has new concealers. A lot of people have like been focusing on like dewy skin, so a lot of people have like skin tints out. I want to, with the exception of this Chanel one, I want to go buy like $300 worth of makeup. There, I said it, okay? And it is Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. Every time my birthday rolls around, I can smell it in the air. Ulta 21 Days of Beauty did start today, but I didn't see anything. I don't think they have MAC lipsticks on sale, which I think I'm gonna buy the Honey Love. I need a new Honey Love lipstick from MAC. I want to go pick those up. Those are like $10.50. I think they're 50% off, and I normally just get 40% off from the MAC website. So I'm gonna double check my discount, and then I'm gonna buy some. Let's go ahead and just do our eyes. Why not? I'm gonna take this VZR palette first, and I'm just gonna go into all the colors. I'm gonna be real with you. So I'm gonna do this first shade, which is here, and then I'm gonna go into this one here. Then I'm probably just gonna deepen it up a little bit. I've never used these shades, so I don't even know how they work. Oh, that's pretty. Very pigmented. This is actually the second shade, girl. I ain't even going to the first one. Okay, so I'm going to take this burgundy looking shade. It's like a plummy, burgundy, maroony. Put that all over our lid as well. I just want it to be fall, honey. I'm ready for the leaves. Well, my leaves on my trees and my front have already started to fall. I'm ready. Fall, honey. I've seen a lot of girls on IG, a lot of makeup artists, they literally would do like these shades on the eyes. These Viseart shadows are top tier, honey. We're gonna take this brush here and I'm gonna take it into the deeper shade. I don't want it to be too deep, but from the looks of these shadows, honey, we may not have a choice. And I'm literally just putting it in the lower part of my crease, right down the outer V. I'm just gonna take that deeper, like purple shade, because that's what it's looking like, and put it in my inner corner. I think we're gonna do something like a halo eye. We can put like a shimmer. I kind of want to do it all matte though, but this is talking to me. Talking to me. Let's take the Antidote palette and find us a gorgeous shade to use out of this. I think we should take the shade Oyster, which is right there. We're gonna take that and pop it on the lid, but I'm going to get some of my base. I'm gonna use the shade Rumor 2 by P. Louise. We're gonna place that in the center, and I'm putting all my dirty brushes over here. I don't know why I'm throwing that brush over there. Okay, we don't need that much. Ooh, that's it. Ooh. Look at that, y'all. Takes my breath away. Honey, can we talk about it? And then we're gonna take that brush that we use to deepen the inner and the outer V. We're gonna take it and blend out the harsh edges. This is a super simple look, y'all. Super simple. This is called a halo look. If y'all don't know, this is a halo eye look, or spotlight eye, where the center is the focus. So I'm gonna take the shade Pecan in this palette here. It's this deeper shade here. I'm gonna use that to deepen up my eye a little bit more. I wanna see what it gives. Now I said I didn't want to do nothing smoking, and look what we doing. But that's all I wanted to do to it. I want to use an Oldie Buddy Goodie foundation. I want to use my Estee Lauder foundation. This is the Double Wear in the shade Sandalwood. I hope this is a good shade because I ain't used it in a while. I'm just going to take this flat foundation brush. We're just fine. And y'all know this makeup gonna be on for the rest of the day if I'm using the Estee Lauder, honey. Might as well. It does not take a lot of this particular foundation. I love it to pieces. And they need to have a pro discount because I don't know why they don't. That blows my mind. This is one of the most sought after makeup brands, and yet they don't have a pro discount for their pro makeup artists. Like, why not? Ooh, I love that coverage, honey. I'm trying to put all my brushes, all my dirty brushes to the side because I've been mixing them with my clean brushes and I have to sift through them and see which ones are clean, which ones are dirty. So I just bought this little thing here. It says I could stop buying makeup, but I'm not a quitter. I got this from Five Below. I thought it was really cute, and I went there specifically for brush holders because they've had them. They've never steered me wrong when I have went to look for makeup brush holders. Let's take the NARS soft matte concealers. I have caramel and walnut. Yeah, let me put a little bit more. I'm gonna use some caramel, just a little bit. I'm gonna use this Morphe continuous setting spray, just to spray that before I start blending it out. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Child. So I use a little bit of this Hourglass concealer in the shade Flex up under my eye just to brighten it up, because I felt like those two were giving skin tone, and y'all know I like for it to brighten up just a little bit. I thought the caramel would brighten it up a little bit, but I guess not. It is just a little bit. So I'm using this NARS. To bronze, we're using this NARS Laguna 05. And I already warmed up the perimeters of my face. I'm just going to use this down my nose. My hand itching like crazy. Crazy, darling. Do not try this at home, okay? I am up here trying to do a reel and film a video for y'all. Do you know how insane that sounds? Just as insane as it sounds coming out my mouth. Just as insane. To set my under eye, let's use this Morphe Bake and Set Brightening Pink Powder. I haven't used this since I tried it on TikTok. Well, I used it one at a time, but a lot of women of color think they can't use it, but we definitely can. Just make sure you go in and actually set it. Like you're actually pressing it in to set it and not actually baking with it. That's the difference. I'll just make sure I press it in. Do not be afraid, okay? I just press it in. And when we spray our face, it's gonna be all good. I really like this NARS bronzer. It's one of my favorite. I found myself reaching for that and the Say bronzer more often. You know, I have the ones from ColourPop, which I really like those too. I like them all. So don't ask me to choose. But right now it's the NARS. We vlogging at the same time too. Who you know? I'll wait. I'm gonna take this Makeup Forever Pro Fusion powder. This is in the shade number 177. All-time favorite. I'm gonna use this to set all over everywhere. Then we're gonna go in and bronze. How we liking this eye? See, sometimes when you do the eye first, you be like, oh my God, it's not gonna look right. But you gotta trust the process. You can't like trip too hard on it. And then I'm going to go in with my bronzer. What bronzer I wanna use? So we're gonna use the Glowish bronzer. This is the Soft Radiance 05 Rich. This bronzer is so warm, like stupid warm. And soft. Like I love the way this bronzer blends. Love it. I'm gonna take this Mariah blush in the shade Soft Berry. I love these blushes. I've been using them for the last I've only used it like twice, but I love them. They're very pigmented. Look at that. What? Give me that warm berry shade. I'm gonna take the Viseart shade, the deeper one, and we're gonna put that on our lower lash line. Ooh, that's it. Come on, fall. Who else ready for fall? Raise your hand, cause where's she at? I can't find my favorite one from Sephora. This one from MAC we'll probably have to do. Where is my one from Sephora? This is Bare Asset by MAC, which this is a good one too, but the Sephora one, can't nobody touch it. Can't nobody touch it. Can't nobody touch it. Let's put a little bit of this Bad Gal Bang mascara on our lower lashes. For the lip, let's do this like 90s black liner situation, okay? So I have this lip liner from MAC. This is from the Aaliyah collection. Listen, you ain't gonna be able to find this. I can find it. You can find it on like eBay, Mercari, Poshmark probably. That's the only place you're gonna get it. Cause it's like a deeper blacky purple. Let's do this Kylie gloss in the shade Jolly. Ooh, this real fall. Ooh, child. Okay, beauty, so here's the finished look. How are we liking it? Are we ready for fall or no? Or no? We're ready for fall. Okay, cool. So y'all definitely should grab that eye palette from Be Perfect and Stacey Marie. When I tell you it's the perfect fall palette. Perfect fall palette. That one actually came out last year. No, when did that palette come out? I'll put it on the screen, but it came out and I was like, perfect fall. I think it came out around Christmas time, to be honest with you. I definitely think y'all should get y'all hands on that one. Y'all will not regret it. This Viseart palette, my first time using it, very pigmented, but these are expensive, girl. I got this from the BoxyCharm pop-up sale for like $6, maybe $8. But they're normally like $100 some or like $100. So if you can get your hands on either one of the palettes, that would be perfect. Any fall perfect will do this look for you. I'm actually going to go pick up some things from the beauty supply store, and we're going to do a full beauty supply store makeup look. Get ready for that. But I do hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'm going to leave everything down in the description box along with links, if I can get the links for you. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.